Customer kept saying that the breaker for the hot water heater kept tripping and they did not have hot water after a while. We got called out, and what I did was I bought a tune-up kit and replaced both heating elements. One of them, as you can see, is completely broken. And I put in the new thermostats with new heating elements, replaced all these internals, and we're filling it up now. We're gonna do test for leaks and turn it on and see if we're gonna get some hot water in a few minutes here. Both sections were replaced new, both heating elements and both new thermostats. Basically that's pretty much all that can go wrong with these water heaters. That just other than the tank rotting out and leaking and stuff, basically that's the only components that you can change out on here. So we basically rebuilt this one, and it should be ready to go shortly.